Hey guys, this is Al. Now, today we're going to be talking about how to start any business in 10 days using this to do list blog. A link will be below the description in this video. All right, so let's get started. All right, so the thing that you have to first find out is what your passion is. What are you interested in? What do you love doing? Remember that businesses make money and hobbies don't. The minute that your hobby starts making money, guess what? You've got a business. So you need to focus on what your passions are. Number two, you need to come up with a business name for your business. Don't want a name that's limiting you, so that if you get into some other area or something that you want to expand your business into, you can't do it because you picked a limiting name. Number three, you need to talk to a trusted advisor about your name. So what happens here is that you need to get some feedback. All right. And then next, you need to pick out a domain name. By the way, guys, all these links are actually clickable. So if you need a domain name, you just click the link, and then we'll take you to one of our vendors who we use all the time that will allow you to purchase a domain name. So you want to see if your domain name is available. If anybody's using your domain name, you may want to rethink your business name. All right. Then next, you want to register your business entity. It doesn't cost a lot to register your business entity with the Secretary of State. You click the link here, it'll take you to one of our partners that actually can register your business entity, and all you pay for is the filing fee if you want. All right. And then next is getting your free EIN number. If someone tries to charge you for that, you need to know that that's not something you want to do. You can get a free EIN number, and this link will take you to the IRS website where you can get your free employer identification number or EIN number. All right, next, you need to think about your virtual business address. If you do not want to use your own home address as your business address, you can get a virtual business address. Next, you want to get a business telephone number. There's nothing worse than calling somebody, a business, on the phone and having them answer hello and not letting you know that it's actually a business. So you want to get that. And this link will allow you to get a business telephone number that can forward to your regular phone, but it will come in as a business call once you put your business call in your business number in your contacts. Every call that you get will let you know that it's a business call. All right, next, you need to get your business telephone number registered with 411, and that is absolutely for free. If you click this link here, it'll show you how to do that. Next, you need to get yourself a business bank account. You're going to have your employer identification number and your business registered before you can get a business bank account. But you can click here, and then this will take you to a link where you can get your business bank account. All right, next, you're going to have a business website. All right. A lot of businesses are found online. You don't necessarily need a brick and mortar address that people come and visit. You can have an online presence where people can purchase goods and services from you. And then lastly, you need a professional email. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you this. Gmail is not considered professional email, especially when you're trying to get business credit or you're trying to get business loans. They are looking for a professional email that actually has your business name. Click this link here. We can show you how to get that set up for just $1 a month with a $1 a month plan, or there are plans that start at $5 a month. All right, so this is our to-do list blog for how to start a business, any business, in 10 days. Just click the link below this video and you can get started right away. Now, if you don't know what you're doing and you need help, just click this link right here and we will set up everything for you. And we'll also introduce you to a business that gives you 9 streams of income. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.